Your alarm snooze button is actually a powerful tool in your spiritual growth. Yes, really. You want to know how? Well, watch on. Hello, my friend, and welcome back to Live Your Light with me, Ed Terry, your personal success coach. And I made this video because I care about your personal growth. Through this channel, I want to provide you with the best tools and techniques to help you step into the life of your dreams. And if there's anything you'd like me to cover for you, comment below or DM me on my socials. The links are in the description. In the next few minutes together, I will explain why the snooze button is your friend and not something to be feared. But how? People say things like, if you snooze, you lose, and tell you that the snooze button is a physical manifestation of your subconscious desire to procrastinate. Well, as a bonus, I'll also tell you about some spiritual bookends, which are super easy to adopt in your routine and help you raise your vibration and enhance manifestation. Curious? Let's dive in. Okay, I do want to admit that there is a grain of truth in what people say about snoozing being a manifestation of your procrastination. But that's only because procrastinators don't use the snooze to their benefit. Let me say that again. Procrastinators don't use the snooze to their benefit. They use it to delay or defer the rest of the day, which is going to happen whether you decide to show up or not. So, here's the trick. When the alarm sounds, hit snooze, but don't go back to sleep. You've got 9 minutes or 7 or however many minutes the wisdom of the people who made the alarm clock decided to get your spiritual mojo flowing. As we know, the best time to meditate is just after you wake up. Your brain is still in an alpha state, which is perfect for meditation as you're already halfway there. And the alpha state is the best state to be in for affirmations and manifestation too. The outer shell of the ego, with all its good intentions to keep you safe, is still snoozing. Yes, I went there. So you can use this time to your spiritual benefit. The first thing to do after you hit snooze is to give gratitude. Think of up to 3 things you're grateful for. They could be anything: the gift of being alive, hot water, blue skies, a good friend, your pet, literally anything, and try to pick different ones each day. Now, sprinkle in the magic savouring sauce. Savouring is the use of thoughts and actions to increase the intensity, duration and appreciation of positive experiences and emotions, and it's proven in psychology, and that's where the term originates. As we discussed in the last 2-parter on manifestation, which you can look at here and the links below, the visualization step is magnified when you really feel the experience. So this gratitude process, when you're in alpha and really feel the emotions associated with the thing that you're grateful for, it dials in this powerful vibrational tool. There are actually 28 benefits to gratitude journaling. Yes, 28, but the main ones are that your sense of gratitude, joy and happiness will increase. Your relationships will become more enriched and you will become more spiritual, meaning you're one step closer to your manifestation goals. Depending how long you spend on this, you can add an affirmation into the snooze time. Pick one the night before that you want to focus on so you know what it is before you start, so your mind's not wandering off and trying to find one and thinking about washing the cat, NFTs, or a gazillion other things. Then repeat the affirmation to yourself and really feel the vibration of that emotion settle into your core. You want to stay in the alpha state. You don't want any distractions in this time. You need to maximize that snooze slot. Affirmations are really powerful, especially when you add in feelings, because every thought you think forms a blueprint which the mind makes real. Let me say that again. Every thought you think forms a blueprint which the mind makes real. This extends into manifestation and everything you do. The mind is a super creator and your job is to point it in the right direction. The mind does not distinguish between right and wrong, good or bad. It just deals in pictures and words and takes what you say you want to be the thing that the mind must make real. There's a great video on the power of affirmations by Marissa Peer, and I'll post a link below as well. So you've done your gratitude and you've added an affirmation if you have time. Time to wake up? Well, maybe. But if you've still got some time left, meditate. Use the alpha state to center and balance your mind and body before you have to deal with the daily distractions. And this is all before you check email and social media. Then, when your alarm does go off, get up. You've snoozed, but you've used that time to your spiritual benefit. Now, I'm going to help you get started on that journey right now. Tell me, what's one thing you're grateful for? Comment below and start the process of showing some love for the blessings that you already have. Then repeat every day. It's that simple. So what next? Well, the day is up to you. But as I mentioned in an earlier video, how you spend your first hour is crucial, which you can watch here, and there's a link below. Some movement is ideal. Simple stretching, yoga, qigong, a workout, or a walk. Anything to get the blood flowing. Movement energizes the body. It changes your physiology and it changes your state from sedentary to active. It throws a switch in the brain and facilitates alertness. Then you're free to journal and plan your day and focus on your goals. I won't go into more detail here as that's in the other video, which you can see in the link below. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, would you mind hitting the like button? This helps YouTube show it to others who will benefit from it like you. Likes are free, so pay it forward with a like. Thank you. And remember to subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified of new content as I release it. And as a bonus, I like to bookend the day with similar practices. And these are my spiritual bookends, as I call them. Simply put, start and end the day the same way, with gratitude. You'll rewire the brain for more positivity, and this will flow into your daily life. How you show up for even mundane activities will change, and your life will change. It also has the side effect of making you more resilient, and you bounce back from challenges more quickly. At the end of the day, I also like to do something which I call find the magic. It's the one thing that really lit me up from the day. It could just be a kind gesture from a co-worker, or something you saw like a shaft of light through the clouds, or a pattern the rain made in a puddle on the street. Just something you found beautiful and magical. I also like to journal morning and evening, but I'll cover that routine in another video, or you can head over to my blog for more. So, the snooze is your friend, if you use the time and your mental state to your benefit. If you enjoyed this, I know you'll like my series on manifestation, or my powerful video on how to start your day, which you can watch here. And until next time, my friend, live your light. Something else which is down here. It also, I'm going to do that again because that was rubbish. And really feel the emotions. Emotions? Emotions. Love it.